To connect a Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE into your laptop, first of all you'll have to open this charging case with both earbuds inside and open this cover for sure. Now you'll have to rotate and only click and hold this button and do not touch earbuds, because if you raise them they will be not attach pins in the charging case. Now when this indicator is blinking, you will have to release, keep that case open and put it close to your laptop. Now as you can see, we can already find that Bluetooth connection, but if you don't have this one, I'm going to show you step by step. So we have to open the settings on your laptop, go to the Bluetooth and devices, turn it on by clicking on the switcher and select add device. Now you have to select Bluetooth device, and the menu may looks a little bit different if you have Windows 10. In my case I've got in Windows 11, and now we have to select Galaxy Buds 3 FE, and after a few seconds we will be successfully connected. There we go. As you can see now, that's everything. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.